Welcome to the party, pal.
Woo!
Welcome to the new work week here, peoples. What are we doing?
We are doing Friday night family night, pizza night.
Sweet.
So, one way that we're saving our budget is by making our own gluten-free, because you know if you go to a pizza place and you get a gluten-free crust, they charge a lot. Plus you don't know what's in the ingredients. So
True that.
we're going back to our roots of how we used to do family nights, which was, you know,
A movie.
which we got
Wreck-It Ralph.
2. Let us know if you guys have seen Wreck-It Ralph 2.
So let's get it started. There we go. Got the pizza crust action. Nice.
I like your vlogging.
Right? Nice.
He has improved so much in his editing skills.
So we were just doing the math.
I think.
Just doing the math. It's $2 a crust
Yeah.
for a gluten-free pizza crust, which I think is pretty good.
I do too. That's a really good price. Bob's Red Mill. We're lucky that we have them close to us.
And on average, I'm gonna say that's about a 8 by 12 right there.
Okay, if you do this, super sticky.
Sticky. Use the plastic.
So this is my trick, guys.
Let the force be with you.
No wonder why my husband was like, honey, you go ahead and take this crust. Because he did this last
I made the pizza here, I don't know what, last weekend or whatever, and I kind of had an idea, and she's like, oh yeah, I'll do the crust.
Uh-huh.
It's a little stickier when it's the gluten-free stuff.
Yeah, but it'll be good.
Yeah, well. All right,
Can
let's
we
get these
touch?
dolled up.
He's going rogue, folks. He is going rogue.
Look at that. You garlic lovers out there, I got like 12 garlics up on here.
Color.
Yeah, buddy.
You and Josh have, Dave, you and Josh have a special garlic bond. So
No one understands it. It
you're putting sauce on
prevents
heart disease.
heart disease.
Everything prevents heart disease to Josh. Okay, what, baby?
I say onions and garlic, eat them like apples.
There you go. Here's our toppings, guys. So we got tomatoes. Really? With tomato sauce? It's all good. That's okay. Onion.
It's all about fresh toppings.
Pepperoni, ham. These are all uncured. Those, you know, pizza night for us, guys, is going to be a little more expensive than you, because you may not need gluten-free crust. You may not need uncured meats like we do, natural olives, and then pineapple tidbits. So there's our toppings. The kids are going to come in, top their stuff.
What's going on, guys? There they are. There they are. So that's Zoe's. You got pepperoni olives. That's mine. Has pepperoni on the bottom, Canadian bacon, onions, olives, garlic, tomatoes, and then there was leftover pepperoni, so I put a little more on top. Got your true Hawaiian going down there.
Gracie and tea.
Gracie and teas. And then what do you got going over there, Mom? You got pepperoni and pineapple.
What's your favorite topping, guys?
I know,
on
right?
your pizza. I want to know.
Looks delicious. Let's get these in the oven.
Look at the steam wafting off of that pizza.
Right? That's a good looking pizza, right, guys? So there's Zoe's. There's mine. And that's what it looks like all dolled up. That's the wife's. Looks all pretty. Look at
I
that.
didn't think we're gonna miss the cheese.
Not even gonna miss the cheese. Look at that. Looking nice.
And we saved on. Yeah. We all went gluten free, didn't we?
We all went gluten free. So that's it for dinner tonight, guys. So that brings us to a total of $5.23 per person per pizza, and there's gonna be lots of leftovers. I can tell you that right now. So it'd be even cheaper than that. So that's it for Friday night, guys. See you the rest of the week. What's going on, peoples? So I wanted to get you caught up on some dinners here. So last night had a party foul. I totally spaced on doing any videoing for Saturday night's dinner, but I do have leftovers to show you. So we had baked skinned chicken. Doesn't look the best right now because it's cold and it's in a Rubbermaid, but we had baked skinned chicken for dinner along with just some salad. So that was a pretty cheap dinner. I think that one was like $8 a person, something like that. $8.25 or $8 to $8.25 for the whole dinner. So you divide that by 5 because skinned thighs they're pretty cheap. So that's what we had for dinner on Thursday night. Wait a minute. That's what we had for dinner Saturday night later. All right, guys, welcome to Sunday Fun Day. Oh yeah. So tonight we've got some dolled up, thick, what do you call it? Thick pork chops that have been marinated, and so they're in some kind of lemon and lime an orange zest sauce with some garlic. So we will get those up on the smoker here in a few minutes. We'll round that out with some green beans and our regular standard operating rice. So let's get that down. Boom, boom. Rice meat. Bam. So that will be what's for dinner on Sunday night. Some pork chops, green beans, and rice. And so we've got a total of $16.16 for the whole dinner, which comes out to $3.23 a person. So let's get these on the smoker and we'll see you at the end. All right, guys, we smoked the meat, and now it's time for dinner on Sunday night. So that's what we got. We got the smoked pork chop there, some green beans, and some rice. Let's get it done. See you guys next week. Later. What's going on, people? Welcome to the Monday show. The hat is on because it's cold here in the Pacific Northwest. So tonight we went with the good stuff. We went with the burgers on the smoker.
All American dinner.
Some fries and some broccoli. So that's what we got all dolled up. You gonna eat that? All right, guys.
Do you want to eat it?
That's what we got for dinner on Monday night. Cost of that. Let's get down to the real brass tacks here. $2.93 per person for burgers.
Woo-hoo.
And I made 12 burgers, so there'll be leftovers for lunches tomorrow and whatnot. So it's more than just one dinner's worth. All right, guys, we will catch you on Tuesday. Later. Tuesday. Oh, how I like the Tuesday. Why? Because it's tacos. So we were gonna have this big old nice pork chop spread tonight, but the missus decided to take out the oldest on a date night. So I was like, well, let's skip the nice dinner and let's go with tacos because it's Tuesday. So we got tacos, people, meat, corn, shells. What toppings we have left because, well, we're getting low on the old grub. So that's all we had left. That is what it all looks in, dialed in there. Got some, boy, I'm a little crazy with the pepper there. Got some corn, a couple of tacos in there all loaded up. Yeah.
I'm staring at the plate.
Are you staring at the plate?
Yeah, I'm waiting to say something.
Okay, say something.
No, once you're done.
Oh, once I'm done, okay. So, tacos. Brass tacks here, people. $12.75 for tacos tonight. So $2.55 a person. There's gonna be lots of leftovers because half the family are not here. And so that will be lunch probably for Zoe and myself tomorrow, maybe other kids. And that's that, people. Hopefully your Taco Tuesday was going as well as our Taco Tuesday is. And we will see you on Hump Day tomorrow. Later. All right, guys. So here is Wednesday night's dinner. We went with 1-pan pork chops with apples and onions. So that's what it looks like in the pan, all dolled up and ready to be eaten. Got some onions and sauce and apples and pork chops in there. It looks delicious. And then we got a salad on the side, all the trimmings. So that is what you get for dinner on Wednesday night. Later. Alright guys, so we are having that tonight for dinner. So I got 3/4 of the culprits in the pool there, getting ready to get up on the gravy here, the sauce that we have to make. So you got to make the sauce and the chicken and all that stuff. So that's about ready. Then we're going to throw the pasta in there. Then we're going to throw the eggs in there. And then we're going to top it with all that yummy stuff. And then we're going to call it dinner. So I've made this before. So if you guys want a detailed, I can link the video at the end, and then I will link the recipe in the description down below. Let's get these guys all up on the plates. Alrighty, people. So we have got everybody in here. Doesn't that look good? Oh man, it looks delicious. Delicious, delicious. So this is what we got for dinner tonight, and I do not have peanuts tonight. We are out of peanuts, or else I would have put peanuts on there. But that is some good looking pad thai, right, people? Nice. Nice, right? So that is what's for dinner Thursday night. Later. So that wraps up the dinner vlog for the week. Hopefully you guys like the new format with the cost per meal and whatnot on there. Hopefully you guys are digging that. So don't forget to give us a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, hit the little bell for notifications, and we will catch you on next week's dinner videos. Later.